If everything checks out right, this might be the last time that you see the Magnaflow muffler on the truck. See, it's not like something just like, damn. Yeah, that sounds good there. What is good, guys, man? Welcome back into the channel, man. It's your boy JFord. We are back again. Another video, man. We headed right now to the muffler shop. We made it. Completely different from what I had on the system, which was the Magnaflow muffler. Way different, completely different from what it was. Number one, the main thing is this thing is a lot louder. Two, no drone whatsoever. Don't get me wrong, like the drone didn't really bother me because I turned the music up, whatever, it didn't bother me. But when I'm going on like road trips and everything, the drone was like crazy annoying. Like, listen to this thing. I'm like a little kid right now. I couldn't be any more happy with how this thing turned out. It just brought back the excitement to it. I'm not even gonna get out or pull the camera back there. I really haven't had a chance to rev it. Oh! All right, let's go. Yep.
You need your asshole putting that loud loss on your. Hey, look, man. Hey, look, bro. Hey, that's all too damn loud, man. I'll call HOA on your ass.
Hey, for real though, no cap. Hey, I can't even wait. Nah, you good.
You said what?
I said you good. You know, did you see the snap I just sent you?
Hell yeah.
That's crazy, right?
Bro, it's loud, bro. That wasn't even a cold start, was it?
No. The truck probably sat for like an hour and a half. Hey, listen to this real quick. Hold up.
Bro, what?
Bro, and it's no drone.
It's no drone?
No drone at all, bro. If I did this with that Magnaflow, bro, it would be like terrible. Like, now I see why people don't want like no drone.
Oh yeah, absolutely, bro. That was my biggest thing, bro. I was like, bro, I do not want any drone, bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
And, I cannot deal with that drone, bro. That's a headache, bro.
Listen to that thing idle. That idle is crazy. It is crazy. Alright, so basically to go over this setup, I have the Borla Atak catback exhaust. I know I told you guys that it wasn't just the Borla Atak, so it also is a SPD catted Y pipe. So I actually bought this setup used, and you won't believe the deal that I paid for it. The deal was $600. I paid $600 for this whole setup. I was just so happened to be scrolling on Marketplace and I came across it, and I was like, you know what, I'm about to hit this guy up and I'm about to go get this thing. It was like 3.5 hours away, but it was well worth the trip, as you can tell. I'm enjoying this setup on this truck right now. Man, it just sounds so good. A lot to actually like about the Borla Atak, and obviously the sound that it produces is really good, man. Like, I'm riding inside the truck and it's really still not as loud that you may think it would be inside. Like, when you're cruising, this thing is like little to none as far as sound that is putting out, like compared to the Magnaflow that I once had. I can't believe that I found this thing on this good of a deal. It was too good of a deal for me to pass up. $600 for the catted watt pipe and the catback exhaust, the full exhaust. Like, that is crazy. That's one hell of a deal. You're really not gonna find a deal like that. What I'm about to do real quick, let you guys hear some more revs. I know I let you guys hear them earlier in the video, but I want you guys to hear it a little bit more. I'm gonna put the camera back here. Listen at the idle on this thing. The idle on it is perfect. Magnaflow was a little bit deeper, a very low rumble, but this one is a lot different. Well, guys, that's gonna be all for your boy today, man. I'm glad I could finally make it happen. I know I've been talking about switching out the exhaust for a while, and I'm just glad that it actually came to happen. And I'm glad for the price I actually spent. This whole setup is about, I'll say, anywhere from $2,300 to $2,500 brand new for the SPD catted watt pipe and the Borla Atak. The Borla Atak runs you about $1,500 brand new. And also, as I mentioned earlier, I am selling the old Magnaflow exhaust. So if you're interested, just follow me on Instagram and we can do all that. My Instagram is thatFordBoy 5.0, and we can go from there, talk numbers and everything. As I always say, man, if you made it this far, man, you guys are a real one. I greatly appreciate you all. Make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. We out.